Hello, my dear children. Good morning, all. I'm so glad to see you all again. Hope you all fine and safe. Let's start the class with a rhyme.
A white paper, brushes and paints. Don't forget your two little hands. Use a brush to paint your little palms. Press them down and make a handprint. Draw some feathers, draw a beak. Colorful peacock, peacock all done. Use a brush to paint your little palms. Press them down and make a handprint. Draw a head, a body, and two antennae. Fluttering butterfly, all done. Colorful handprints, whatever you want. Draw your world whenever you want. Here and there, wherever you want. Left and right, up and down. Use a brush to paint your little palms. Press them down and make a handprint. Draw a head and some suckers. Wiggling octopus, all done. Use a brush to paint your little palms. Press them down and make a handprint. Draw two eyes and two claws. Pinching crab, crab, all done. Colorful handprints, whatever you want. Draw your world whenever you want. Here and there, wherever you want. Left and right, up and down.
Hey, hope you all enjoy the rhyme. Yes, my dear children. The world is but a canvas to the imagination, said Henry David. We say that our palms are palettes and our fingers are paintbrushes. Today we are going to explore about the easy way of art is nothing but impression art. In this art form, children will use their body parts to create exciting prints on the paper or fabric. This is a terrific and inexpensive way to make a printing art. Most of the artwork are combination of arts and science. In this impression artwork, children will get to know about the parts of body like hands, palms, foot and more, and it's help to develop their fine motor skill. Yes, my dear children, now we are going to know about the objectives of an impression artwork. Eye-hand coordination, color identification, development of fine motor skills. Yes, my dear children, now we are going to know about the benefits of an impression artwork. Easy for little palm. Improves sensory experience. Development of fine motor skills. Recognizing colors. Improves hand and eye coordination. Language and speech development. Yes, my dear children, through this impression artwork, you can explore the primary colors which is red, yellow and blue. And you can use your hand to mix and blend the colors to produce the secondary colors which is orange, green and purple. An impression artwork can be rewarding experience since it builds colors and shape identification skill, allowing you to explore your sense of touch with the different textured materials. It also great for fine-tuning your motor skills. Yes, my dear children, now we are going to know about what kind of paints we have to use to make an impression artwork. You have to use washable paints for making impression artwork like watercolor and poster colors. It should be non-toxic paint and easy to dry. Yes, my dear children, now we are going to know about the types of impression artwork. Fingerprint art, hand or palm print art, and footprint art. Good, my dear children. Can you tell me what is finger impression artwork? Yes, the technique of painting by applying the color to the paper with fingers. What is palm print? A print of the palm of a hand. An impression of the lines and curve wrinkles of the palm of a hand on a surface. The techniques of the painting by dipped the palms in the color and made the impression on the paper or fabric. And what is footprint? To paint a little feet by using poster or watercolors and paint on the canvas board or cardboard. Good, you done a great job. I hope you are all understand about the impression artwork clearly. Yes, my dear children, this is your fun time. Yes, my dear children, now we are going to do some interesting activity for fingerprint. Are you ready? Come on, here we go. Yes, dear. Now I am going to show you how to make a finger impression with step by step. Make a mixture of colors and water in the mixing plate. Apply the color on your fingertip and put it in the fingertip on the drawing sheet. Repeat the process to fill up the entire drawing. After the impression is done, wait for 5 to 10 minutes to dry out the colors on your sheet. Now, with the help of sketch pen, draw the different shapes on your finger impression to make it alive. I hope you all understand how to make a finger impression in a right way. Yes, my dear children, this is your fun time. Yes, come on. Now we are going to do another activity for palm print. Yes, my dear children. Hope you all enjoy this activity. Yes. Are you ready to make a lovely Father's Day card to share your love and happiness with your father? Yes, dear. Now I am going to share some ideas to make a Father's Day card by using palm print with step-by-step instructions. Listen carefully, my dear, and do the same. Material required to make a palm print. Variety of paints, different skin tones, different hair colors, and a selection of colors for clothes. Paintbrush, canvas board or cardboard. Material required to make a tie. It's completely optional. Scissors, glue, color paper, and marker. Prepare your paints and canvas board or cardboard. We will start by making the handprint face. Paint the palm part in the desired skin color. Paint the fingers in the desired hair color. You don't have to color the thumbs. Press the hand on the canvas board or paper on the upper half of the area with the fingers on top. Wash your hands thoroughly. While the hands are being washed, the paint on the canvas or card will dry. Turn the canvas board the upside down. Continue with the painting the hand. Paint the palm in the color of the shirt you want your handprint person have. Also, paint the thumb and pinky finger in the same color, except for the tips. Paint the tips in the color of the skin tone you used for head. Paint the other 3 fingers in the pants color. Press the hand on the canvas to get the image as it's shown on the picture below. If you want to add a fancy tie to your art, cut it out from the color paper. Make it fancier by adding patterns on it. Glue it on your handprint art. Draw eyes, mouth and nose with a black marker. You can also use wiggly eyes stickers or googly eyes. That's it. It is amazing, my dear kids. Your hands can make a wonderful painting. Yes, my dear, this is your fun time. Now we are going to do some activity for footprint. Here we go. Yes, kids, I hope you all enjoy this activity. Yes, come on. Now I am going to share some ideas to make a footprint rocket. Supplies needed to make a footprint rocket: a white chart, red color paper, small red pom-poms, light blue paint, gold glitter foam paper, gold glitter stars, black marker and glue. First, make sure that the white chart is big enough to fit the footprint and the rocket's top and flame. Put your paint on the paper plate. Press the foot into the paint and stamp on a few pieces of paper. You may have to do a few tries before you find that looks good. Cut out 3 triangles for your rocket. For the sides of the rockets, trace the triangle shape and then use the traced and second one so it is the same size. Glue to your paper. Add your 3 small pom-pom on the top of your footprint. Cut out the flame for the bottom of the rocket using your glitter foam paper. And also cut out your star and glue to your paper. Write your message on your paper. Good, you done a great job. Yes, my dear kids. Here I present some sample drawing for your reference. I hope it is very useful to you. Yes, my dear children, I hope now you all have got a clear idea about the impression artwork. Thank you, my dear children. Catch you in next video with some new concept in drawing. Stay home, stay safe.